In front of me is LG Wing, and let me show you how to turn on or off charging sound on the following device. So at first, open the settings, go to sound then, and here go to system sound. Now smoothly by tapping on charging, you can activate or deactivate this feature. Once the indicator is active, charging sound is on. You can also personalize it by tapping on the left edge of charging, and here you can pick one from the following sounds. The first one is simple. You can pick pure, acoustic, or unique. I will stay with acoustic, and that's it. So this is how you can activate or deactivate charging sounds in your LG Wing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.